Hello, it's a lovely Sunday. I'm just out on another bike ride, trying to get some kind of fitness in me, and came across this. An old burnt out car. Perhaps not yet, even that old. I'm sure there'll be some car enthusiast that will recognise what model this is. Not much of it left. And up there, there's actually another one. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Do I have my drone with me? Yes. Would you like to see it fly through these cars? Well, stay tuned.
Shell in the dawn, bent frame, torn chrome. I circle the ash, low and close. Broken glass in the dirt, paint peeled bare. You can taste that heat, still hanging there. Hold your breath, stay with me. Skim the ground, let it breathe. Every scar, every seam, I'm flying through the after scene. Two burned out cars, stand like ghosts. I circle the wreck, I don't look away. Two burned out cars, burned out cars. One hood folded in like a crumpled prayer. One door swung loose in the cold